Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to check Messenger block list. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Messenger app on your phone. Once opened, click on the menu button at the bottom right. Then locate and click on settings. On the settings page, locate and click on privacy and safety. Then scroll down privacy and safety. Then you should see blocked account. Go ahead and click on that. And here, under block accounts, you should see all your blocked list. You can go ahead to unblock them by clicking on the name and then click on unblock. So repeat the same thing on all other names or Facebook Messenger user you want to unblock by clicking on their name and then straight away click on unblock. And that is it. So that's exactly how to check your Messenger block list. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.